Hi guys, Liz here. How was your weekend? Did you guys do anything fun? Or did you have a chance to just sit back and relax after all the Christmas festivities? It's kind of nice just to, once you get all the Christmas down, just to go like this and just kick your feet up and relax. Which is what I didn't do. I did not relax at all this weekend. Want to know what I did? Wait for it. See these doors behind me? That is my walk-in pantry, which was a complete disaster, and you will see video footage of how bad it was. Basically what I did, in a quick, fast nutshell, is I took everything out, piled it all on the kitchen island and countertops. It was a big fat old mess in here, and once I did that, I was like, what have I done? Why did I do this? Why did I choose to do this? I was regretting it because it was such a mess. And then I felt overwhelmed, and I was like, how am I going to do this? And then I told myself, I have to talk to myself. Then I was like, Liz, you got to get this done. You gotta roll your sleeves up and put some good music on and just get it done. Because you got to cook this weekend and there's no room to cook. So that's what I did. I decided to purge all the prepackaged foods and marinades and things in glass jars. I just decided to get rid of it because we're basically, on keto, you're trying to eat basically all natural, organic, wholesome, not prepackaged food that has all the preservatives and junk in it. So I was like, yeah, let's get rid of the temptation. Let's purge. So that's what we did. So we do have a little section in there that's like breads and apples and bananas and cereals for the kids. But that's it. That's it. Anyway, I decided to make it cute. Had to make it cute. I mean, hello. And then I decided to take on my upper kitchen cabinets and I decided to reorganize those, and I purged old mugs and plates and glasses I didn't want. Then I stood back in this kitchen. Once I got this put together, it was like kind of like a little blank slate, and I was like, you know what? I'm not liking all this white. This white is driving me nuts. I got to do something to break it up. This whole section right here is white cabinets. And the only thing that really is breaking it up is that stainless steel vent hood. And I just stood back and I was like, so I called my husband in because I always want to get his opinion as well. Sometimes I do, sometimes I don't. I don't when I don't hear the answer I want. But it is his house too, so I had to ask. But I was like, come on in here. Let me talk to you for a second. He's like, okay, what's up? And I'm like, see those kitchen cabinets right there? And he's like, yes. He knows me so well. He knew where I was going with that question. Oh, yes, he did. I said, how would you feel if we removed them? He's like, well, we could try. We could try. I was like, okay, go get the screwdriver. Go get it. Go get it now. I had to tell him to go do it fast before he changed his mind. So he came in and he was like, zzz, zzz, zzz. And then I took the cabinet door off. And then he did the next one. Zzz, zzz, zzz. We did it again. Got the doors off, stood back. I was like, I don't know. I don't know if I like it. So he went out to go do he's like, well, play with it, see what you like, see if you like it. He went out to go do yard work. I started reorganizing all my plates and trying to make it cute. So the top shelves became my decor shelves pretty much. And then the rest were just like my regular everyday plates. And I'll tell you what, guys, I did the dishes this morning and unloaded the dishwasher. It was so nice. It's like I took all the dishes out, piled them, and then I was like, right on the shelf instead of going, and then one at a time. It was so nice. I was like, done. I love it. Love it. Highly recommend it. Now, I know there may be some of you that say, Liz, what about the dust? What about the dust that may collect on the plates? Not concerned. Just not. We use our plates so frequently, they will be going in and out of the dishwasher. They won't have time to collect dust. And if perhaps it does get dusty, I've got a duster. I know how to use it. So let's look at what I've done. So I have done these Valences. I have added some spring wreaths. I did this little vignette right there. I removed the kitchen cabinets. I added this mirror. We don't have a backsplash yet, and I wanted something large there that if grease splatted, I could just wipe it down easily. And I'm like, I'll put a mirror there till March when we probably will do the backsplash. But I kind of like breaking up all this white with a dark piece. So, sneak peek, sneak peek. Loving it. Sorry guys, I'm in the dining room. My computer just died on me, so I had to come in here and plug it in. Anyway, I am going to share footage that I took from this weekend, so I'll insert it here. Okay guys, taking on my walk-in pantry. I've already started. It's a mess. We won't look much further at this, but I'm going to get it organized. So I've pretty much purged the pantry now of all this pre-packaged stuff. And so like I said, either can be donated or thrown away depending on the expiration date. And then let's go over here. So now I have a lot more room opened up, and now it's going to be a case of organizing. And then over here I've got all my light bulbs. So I'm going to try to get these organized and put down in the basement on a shelf. I'm going to think about starting a shelving unit down there where I store like cleaning agents, light bulbs, household items, so I can keep them off this floor and keep this all organized, and then have like my own little store down in the basement where I can go and stock up on light bulbs and cleaning agents and all that good stuff. Toilet paper, paper towel, all that stuff. Okay guys, you saw my pantry yesterday. It was all disheveled and a mess, and where we had squirreled stuff away over the holiday time frame, and it was just a mess. You couldn't find anything. A lot of the stuff we had in here was pre-packaged food, and since being on keto, we've been trying to encourage the kids not to eat those pre-packaged foods and carbs. So we've been really trying hard to eat, you know, wholesome food that you have to prepare, none of that pre-packaged stuff. However, with that said, my kids still love cereal, so we do have a cereal section. I do have a bread section when we make sandwiches for them. And some other miscellaneous stuff like rices and stuff. So if they have friends over and I'm making a dinner, I can add a rice or mashed potatoes or, you know, things like that. But for the most part, I purged this entire pantry of a lot of prepackaged food, which I feel awesome about. And the way I like to store things, I don't like stuff sitting all over my shelves. I'd rather have them in a little box where you can just pull it out. You can pull it out, see what's in there, and then just push it back, which is pretty easy. And then over here, I got these little trays at the dollar store, and that kind of helps you be able to just pull things out very quickly. So there's the cereal section. And then up top, I just kind of kept it fun, cute, farmhouse decor. And have some pots and pans there, salt and pepper shakers in little mason jars, cute. Popcorn for when the kids have friends over and they want to do a movie night. They just come here and they can put their popcorn in this or these. And then for summer, I've got these little outdoor summer cups, and so I can just pull this out, grab my plastic cups, fill it up with ice or tea or whatever. We're good to go. Probably need to store these down in my storage room, but these are really cute for soups. Use those in the fall time frame. Salt and pepper shakers. I keep some of my floor cleaning supplies there. Trash bags right there. There's over here, I went to Five Below and I got these little hooks and I hung them, which, you know, works out very conveniently to hang my shopping bags and my mop stuff and my duster, fly swatters, all that good stuff. It keeps it off the floor and it's organized. So I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. Now I don't have to be embarrassed. You know, it's really hard when you have French doors. I would have much preferred if the builder had put in those cute little etched pantry doors that say pantry on them. They're kind of frosted so you don't have to see all the clutter. But I'm gonna have my husband add an electrical outlet in here so I can have a cute lamp. Maybe one on either side that I can keep on, so when I need to get in here, I don't have to go. You know, it just looks cute having a little light on in this pantry space. So anyway, we are organized, and I did my spring cleaning early, and I'm feeling great about it, guys. Feeling great about it. Just in half, and then when I go to put it on the curtain clips, the material just clips right on, and then I can use ribbon to make my valances. So that is what it looks like once I've got it on the curtain clips. But now I'm going to take some wired burlap ribbon, and I'm going to use that to make it look like really cute valances. Like with two of them done, and it looks pretty silly like that, but I love the stripes on the top and the floral on the bottom. And that's what it looks like with the burlap ribbon, with the curtain panel kind of pulled up. Now I just need to do this one. Slide off in here. My valances are done, and I think they turned out pretty cute for a DIY, you know? No sewing involved, just scissors and some curtain clips and a little cafe rod from Walmart. All of this is from Walmart. So if you like it and you want to replicate it on a window or on some French doors, you know, this is a cute way to do it. So I'm obsessed with adding wreaths to all my doors, not all of them, but if I could, I would, because I think it adds a welcoming touch and it adds visual interest to otherwise boring doors. So what I did was I put 2 command hooks on. Easy peasy, I got those at Walmart. I got these wreaths, I got 2 of them from Home Goods. Love them. And so now all I have to do is add this one. And like I said, it just adds, you know, more visual interest to your doors. Ties in with the green in my valances and adds that nice pop of color and a nice spring touch. And these are the doors to the walk-in pantry. These are the doors to our bedroom where the dogs sleep. Thanks for watching.